Hello everyone, and welcome to another toy edition of Steve Y, the Fix-It Guy. I'm Steve Yakshi, and today we're going to take a look at this toy stroller that my granddaughter likes to play with. Every time she lifts it, the wheel falls off. So we're going to find out why, and we're going to fix it so she can play with it some more. In looking at the wheels on this stroller, I noticed that there's a clip right here on this side. We're missing that clip on this one. And this clip is what holds this wheel on, or allows us to take it off. And because it's missing on this side, the wheel just falls off. We're going to have to find a substitute clip. I'm sure we probably found this on the floor, wondering what it went to, maybe even held onto it for a while, but eventually threw it away. So right now, we're going to find some sort of a substitute that'll keep that wheel on. So I came into my garage to look around. I've got all kinds of springs and clips from various things that I've saved over the years. I really didn't find anything that would be suitable. So I think what I'm going to do is just take this screw right here and use that to stop the wheel from falling off. It's not really worth finding a replacement clip, ordering it and waiting for it to be delivered. I'm just going to take the screw that we found and I'm going to screw that in to the plastic where the clip ordinarily would be. And once that's secure, it'll provide a stop for the wheel so it doesn't fall off. Now she can play with it until she's sick of playing with it.